Hello friends, you're welcome to this channel. My name is Michael and this is Grace Global. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to our channel as I will be dropping videos on designs, graphic designs, video editing, digital marketing, Facebook ads, and a lot of helpful tips. Alright, so quickly today I want to show us the new Pixellab Pro. Alright, it's a very wonderful tool for graphic designers. You can do amazing stuff with this Pixellab just with your smartphone. Alright, as you see, the interface is a bit different from the normal Pixellab that you know. Okay, this one's it comes with already made templates like the one you're seeing here. The default template is different, and then you can see other templates like these ones here, and not just that. Okay, you see these templates. All you need to do is you can edit any of them. All right, if you click here, you'll see the layers to this work. So if you want to edit this, for instance, all you need to do is unlock these ones that are locked. Okay, and then you see everything is moving. Right, you can really change any of them. Same thing applies to all these things. So you can actually design a nice flyer here in 5 minutes, and that's what I am going to do. I'll use this and then show us the a little more stuffs, all right, that makes this new Pixellab super cool. Okay, so let's take for instance, I want to edit this. Okay, even starting from scratch is as cool as, because you will see us almost we will change things here. So let's start with changing this. All right, I'll just come here, this product, I'll remove it, click on remove. Let's assume I don't want to use it, I'll add my own products. Okay, let me use this, and then here. Okay, but if you look around, it seems a little bit odd. So all I need to do is the background. But one thing is, if you check on the layer of this background, you found out that there is no layer for the design of this background. It means that this background is just, they just added it as a full background. All right, so what I need to do, if you, let's change the background, it will change everything actually. So we start with color. So let's change the color. Let's use gradient and then find something that is a bit helpful. Okay, I think this is cool. All right, I think this is cool. So about that other circle that was there, it's very easy. Just click on shapes, add shapes to it, make it a circle. Okay, make it a circle, broaden it small, and then move it to the side. Change the color. Let's change the color. I think this color is not bad. I think the color is not bad. All right, let's send it to back. Another thing you can do is, if you want to pick color, like you want to pick color from any of the products, you can always click on add products. Sorry, add colors. And you saw what I did. Just come to color, you see plus icon, just click on it, and then use this color eye color dropper, that thing that is like the eye color dropper at the top. Click on it, and then you have options to select colors. So I'm choosing the laptop, for instance. I'll just move this thing around it. Okay, so to select a color that is similar to it, so I won't be far from color while designing. All right, I just move it. Let me select a nice shade. Okay, I think this is okay. If I select it and then I say okay, all right, so I have something like this. Then let me send it to back first. Click OK, and then I'll send it to back. This is the shape. I'll send it to back. All right, now I have this situated here. Another thing I can do is a little bit beautiful is, let me add shadow to it. And then okay, right, and then something like this. All right, and here is this. Okay, it is here. So let's add this block icon here. So I'll just click on shapes and then adjust this, move it here, and then the radius, do I need, okay, let me make it curve a little bit. I think this is okay. And then I will change the color to the color of this circle here. So I'll just click on it and then click OK and send it to back. All right, and then let me give it a little 3D shape. It's inner shadow, is it okay? I think this is better. Let's leave it like this, and then adjust this one here. Okay, remember now, okay, let's finish with the design layouts before editing the text. Now I have this, I can choose to bring in, okay, this, there is something here. Okay, so we'll add circle there, like this. So add a normal shape, which is circle, like this. Make it smaller, bring it here. Okay, change the color to black, and then reduce the opacity to, just click on OK, go to opacity and reduce the opacity. This is okay, and then send it to back. All right, and another thing you can do here is let me add picture. Let me add a picture. Yes, add this here, something here, and then I will begin to adjust distance to suit well. Now I think I'm done with the layout. All I need to do is change the color of this text. Okay, this one shop now is okay. This one is, I'll change this to, I'll edit, and then it's no longer just do it. It is HP Elite Book. HP Elite Book. Okay, and then make it smaller. Sorry, you can always use the normal. Oh my God. Sometimes if you, when you are done with this stuff like this, you can lock it up. Okay, just come to layer and then see it here, and then you lock it, so it won't be moving. Okay, so this one, just make it smaller, and then okay, and then change the color to black. Color of the text, I'll change it to black. Maybe add a little effect to it. Add a little effect. I don't know if it is bold. Sorry, I don't want to change the font. I'll just make it bold. Okay, and okay. All right, this 40% stuff. Okay, nothing to change there. So this is not Pixellab again. This has to be, what is it? Let's call it a digital store, or just a digi store. I'll just say digi store. Okay, all right. So this practically how to, I just use these stuff to show us. Remember, these things you can just go to stickers. If you are designing from scratch, of course, you know, designing from scratch is even easier than what I'm just doing here. All right, you can easily design from scratch, and then you have your layout at hand and everything. All right, just come to stickers, you will see all these things. All right, come to stickers, you will see all these stuffs here. Just go through it, you'll see them all. Sorry. So that is it. That is that about it. All right, so remember, fonts, you can change fonts actually, but this one thing about this Pixellab is that it comes with a whole lot of fonts. Like you want to change the font, it comes with a whole lot of fonts. Sorry, fonts here, you see it comes with a whole lot of fonts. But peradventure you want to add your own font, all you need to do is come to my fonts here. Look at my fonts, this one's I added. Just click on this icon here, click on this icon here, and then if you click on it, it will now take you to your folder. And then you select your gallery, and you select from any folder where your font is. For example, my fonts are in my downloaded folder. All right, and then if I search for download, I just go to my download. Just go to, yeah, here it. I'll just click on my download. These are fonts, and these fonts have actually been added. You should see them there. But in case you want to add your own after downloading your fonts and you want to add it, you follow this process. Once you click on any of them, once you click on like this, and then you come to where the font is. Mine is on download. Once you click on it, this one for example, let me assume I want to add the two of them. Then I add on selected, add selected. You see the font, it just reflected here. You see it added, even though it has added before. Look at that font, and it just added this to here. So I'm going to delete it. I'm going to delete this once. All right, so that's exactly how to add fonts to your picture. But believe me, these ones come with enough fonts. All right, so that's basically that about this. All right, you can design from scratch wonderful colors and flyers and logos and any other thing. This Pixellab, particularly this new Pixellab, is very helpful for your graphics works, believe me. All right, so I told you I was going to give you this for free, so I'll drop the link in the description. click on it and then you'll download it free. And please do well to subscribe to my channel for more videos and more helpful tips. Thank you.